Hi, I'm Joseph Gower. I'm a carpenter and general builder, and I'm here currently renovating my own home. We're going to start by cutting this laminate to fit around the radiator pipes. I'm going to line up the laminate, and then I'm going to mark on the laminate exactly where the pipes are and cut them with a Dremel. After that, I'll use this offcut at the back to fill in the distance between the existing laminate and the skirting board. I'm going to use the tape measure and I'm going to check how far in we need to make the cut. So it's 2 centimeters in. Now using a set square, I'm going to get a nice straight line . Now we have our marks on the board, ready to cut it with the Dremel. Okay, then we place the laminate on the workbench. We make sure it's clamped down firmly. That prevents it from slipping around when we make the cut. I already have the 5/6-1 spiral cutting bit inserted in the Dremel, and now I'm going to attach the cutting guide. The laminate I know is 6mm thick, so I'm going to set the depth to 10mm. I'm using the multi-purpose cutting kit instead of a jigsaw because it's quite small cuts and you have a lot more control and stability using the Dremel. I set the RPM to 30,000. That leaves a really nice, clean and smooth cut on the laminate. Okay, we have a nice, perfect cut there. Let's go and put it around the radiator pipes. Okay, we're going to line up the laminate with the pipes. That cut's perfect. Now we're going to get the offcut and put it behind. If you need to, use one of the metal bars and a wooden mallet and use that to pull in the laminate. Now what I'm going to do is use the 1 centimeter spacer, put it between the wall and the laminate. That allows for any movement in the laminate over the years. Now we use the radiator collar to go around the pipe. This will hide any discrepancies and also leave a nice finish. Okay, the collars are now on. I think it looks perfect. I hope you have some tips and tricks for yourself when you're renovating a home or moving into a new place. All the best, good luck.